Hey everybody, yeah, Sam back once again. And I know some people are like, Sam, I want you to do a Twilight video. So I've got a Mate 20 here to unbox, show you what's inside it, and it's a Twilight edition. So just going to show you on the bottom of the box here, Twilight, ba-ba-bum. So let's open her up, dun dun dun. If I can wriggle her open. Happy days. So let's have a look. There she is, wow. Hello, you can see me with my big ass beard. No. But there she go, look at that. Wow. Jeez. That looks crazy on camera. Absolutely crazy. So this is the standard Mate 20. This will be in sale in different regions. Fingerprint scanner on the back. Different camera array, which I'll come to in just a moment. And a slightly different screen and also a screen resolution. So as you can see there, it's got the dewdrop. There we go. As you can see there, it's got the dewdrop, which is a single little camera there, which I'll be honest with you, that's probably one of my favourite notches. I do like that, it looks pretty nice. So if we go into the device, don't tell anyone the super secret password. Boom! So let's just go home. So as you can see, you can have the standard navigation, but as I show, if you look in my Mate 20 Pro unboxing, you can also change on the gesture navigation, if you want to have that one instead. So you can basically choose which you would prefer. In terms of the main specifications for this, very similar than the actual Mate 20 Pro, but it's a 6.53 inch, I think that's correct, 6.53 inch, and it's an LCD, not an AMOLED, so there is a difference on that one. It doesn't do the super charge, but it does the supercharge at 22.5 watt, 4,000 milliamp hours, and this one comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM. So the Pro will start at 6 gigabytes, this one starts at 4 gigabytes. The actual cameras on the back, they are different as well. It's a 12 megapixel wide, a 16 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel telephoto. So that's the 3x optical zoom on that one. And on the front of it, it's got the same 24 megapixel wide angle camera, which the Mate 20 Pro's got as well. So let's just go into it. 5, 6, there we are. So I'll be honest with you, I kind of like this one. And if you notice, it's got less of a chin. It's really strange. I thought it would be the other way around, but this has actually got less of a chin than the Pro version. Some people are going to be like, oh, that's really nice. Yeah, and as you see the little thing there, what's that, Sam? What's that little hole there? Yeah, exactly. Anyway, let's put it to the side because it's an unboxing as well, Sam. What else do we get? Stick it to the side. We get the case. We'll also get a quick start guide, which, yeah, as you can tell, I've already had it out of the box. Apologies. So here's the actual case. Again, I appreciate it when manufacturers include these. So thank you very much. SIM ejector, your 22.5 watt charger, which is your Huawei Supercharge, your USB Type-C to USB to charge your phone, and dun dun dun. Yes, you guessed it, your 3.5mm headphones, not your USB Type-C, because it has the headphone port. Again, people are going to go, why does the Pro version not have a headphone port, but yet the standard one does? It's one of those things, people. I'm not too sure we'll ever actually know. It's just one of those things. So stick that off to the side and we'll stick that there. So again, here it is. I'll be honest with you, I do like the look of this. If they'd have put the fingerprint scanner on the front of this one as well, this one might have been the one to go for majority of people. I don't know, there's something about that Pro one, it just feels a bit nicer. It's curved on the front and the back, whereas this one, it's kind of got like a flat, kind of a 2.5D glass, whereas the other one is kind of like a fully curved, and it's got a nice curve back in it as well there. Again, let's go quickly into it. So have a quick look around the device. Again, it is a quick unboxing, a quick first impressions. Let's have a quick look at the camera. So we'll start with the ultra wide. So we'll take a picture. Let's go to the normal wide, the 2x. Yep. Let's go to 5x. 5.1, why not? So let's have a quick look at those bad boys. So we've got the ultra wide, which, come on, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Eh? The normal wide, which looks very nice, and they've got the actual zooms as well. So yeah, that's the look at the camera on it. Again, I'm going to give you a proper in-depth look. If I get my hands on one of these, it might just be the Pro one, but this is an unboxing, a quick first hands-on. What do you think? To be honest with you, I'm impressed, and I can see why they've gone for 2 different versions again. you know, slightly different markets. It could be a cheaper model than the other one. Obviously, all pricing will be announced at the event as you're probably watching it now. Crazy. Anyway, people, if you've got any questions about this or anything else, if I've talked a little fast, just slow me down. It makes it easy for both of us. Yeah, I'm very excited because, yeah, again, Sam is back. Anyway, people, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It is completely free. And yeah, you'll probably see me in my next video. Again, probably won't see me, but you'll definitely hear me. Cheers, everyone.